I meet a lot of people that are first-time home buyers. One of the most common questions they ask is what programs are available for first-time home buyers. To get the most up-to-date and best information available, I went and talked to a mortgage loan officer who's an expert in first-time home buyers. Now, before we get to his answers, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and then the notification button right next to it. We're dropping videos on a regular basis, and we don't want you to miss a single one. Now, to get the best answer, I talked to Ken Pitts with First Choice Mortgage Advisors, and here's what he had to say about first-time home buyers.
With all loan programs, there's some government-backed programs and there's some what they call conventional programs, both of which have first-time buyer programs built within them. Some of the more common ones that you'll see out there are FHA loans, which are used for home buyers that are first timers. Advantages there are that it's a low down payment, 3.5% down. It'll take lower credit scores, which a lot of times first time buyers tend to have lower credit scores, so it helps out there. So that's a good starting point. If you're a veteran, I always encourage veterans to use their VA benefit, especially if it's their first time buying, because there's no mortgage insurance on the program, so it allows them to qualify for more or to have a lower monthly payment. And if you're out in the rural area, you can utilize USDA, which is a great 100% first time buyer program. So those are kind of the three main government programs, national programs that we recommend for first time buyers. In the state of Pennsylvania, Pennsylvania has the Pennsylvania Housing Finance Agency loan, or PHFA. That is a bond issue program that can give you some lower interest rates, and it can be used in conjunction with an FHA program or a conventional program, either or. It can be used with VA, it can be used with USDA, but as a bond program, when they do a bond issue, it's got lower interest rates. And they also offer a grant program through USDA, through PHFA to assist you with down payment and closing costs. So you can get up to $8,000. And if you are have a handicap, a physical handicap, you can even get additional monies to help retrofit your home for that handicap. So those are kind of the government programs. Conventionally, you'll hear the terms Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac thrown around. They have two programs. One is called Home Ready, which is a 3% program by Fannie Mae. And then there's Home Possible, which is a 3% down payment program from Freddie Mac. And that program, those two programs, they are income restricted. So whenever we're going to look to use those with a client, we have to look at their income and the areas in which they're looking to make sure that they still qualify for the loan. But two good conventional programs. What I like about them is the mortgage insurance is cheaper than it would be for a 5% down program, because if you qualify for that median income that they use. So that's a smattering of the different types of programs that are out there. They're all, from 0% to 3.5% down. One thing that I will mention is that there are some banks that offer what are called CRA loans, or Community Reinvestment Act loans. Banks are encouraged by the federal government to lend money, particularly in low-income areas. The CRA loans are also income restricted, similar to the Home Ready and Home Possible program. But oftentimes the bank versions of those programs, the CRA versions, have no mortgage insurance, which is great. That helps reduce the monthly payment and increase the buying power. But those are the programs as a short synopsis of what's out there. So there are a lot of good programs out there for buyers.
Thanks, Ken. That was a lot of great information. Now, if you'd like to learn more about buying in Lancaster County, be sure to check out my website, parealestateresources.com, and certainly subscribe to the Living in Lancaster YouTube channel. Also, if you have any questions, just click on the link below and I'll get back to you just as soon as I can with the best answer possible. Thanks again for watching, and make it a great day.